NYC, and today I will show you how to use and modify profile metric view in Klaviyo per each profile. So first, let's go to your Klaviyo account. And now we want to see only, to show you better example, I want to show you only profile of a person who placed an order. And in the last video, I showed you how to check that information. So basically we go to activity feed and we sort it by place order. And let's use this person. And on the right side right here, you have like tile where you have metrics, and this metrics you can add it. So now you have like place order only one time, revenue $15, and checkout started one time. So you have two columns, and the first column shows you like what happened in that last 30 days, and the next column shows you all the time, like over all the period the customer like since they opt in and what they did like over all the time. So how to add this metric? You just click on edit, and now you can add any kind of information you want. You can honestly add everything, or if you want to focus on a few things, you can delete something or remove something from this profile metric. And let's do I just want to say click the email, for example, and you have to click add metrics, and let's do open email as well. Open emails, add and update. So as you can see, this person is bad example because they did not open any email, so it's probably direct purchase. So let's go to dashboard and let's look for somebody else who probably a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, this person opens 28 emails. They clicked 14 emails. They checkout started 3 times, and they placed order 3 times. So it means, I mean, all this information, but everything happened like in the last 30 days. So based on what metric you want to track, you will add that metric right here to this dashboard. And you can delete something, or refund order, revenue, place order, update. And as you can see, you can easily add or remove metrics. It's very useful for you to see for specific customer how they perform and how they order or how do they behave. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like button below. Please comment below and let me know what other videos you would like to see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, click subscribe button below and click on the bell button to receive notifications when we release new video. We release new tutorial every day and educational video every Thursday.